So welcome back to the YouTube channel, BMF Speed Shop. Today we're in Stevens Point, Wisconsin, the Central Wisconsin Sports Car Club Ice Cross event here at Lakeside Bar and Grill. We got some ice racing going today, so I'm out here in the Legacy, and I won't be able to get a lot of video because unfortunately I'm here by myself and I don't have anyone to record, and I'm driving. But I'll try to edit some stuff together. I got some videos from last weekend, and yeah, there's a lot of cars out here today. Check it out. So this is like a mile from my house, not even, maybe a quarter mile from my house. So I had to come down here and enter the cooped in here. But yeah, there's a lot of different stuff out here. If you got the winter doldrums like I do, you need something fun to do, I highly recommend it.